Hello students, I am Gunwan Patel from Logic Institute and today I am with the next lecture of electrostatics. In this lecture, we will continue our topic, that is capacitor, and in this lecture we will talk about the combinations of capacitors. There are two types of combination of capacitors. First is series combination and next is parallel combination of capacitors. So whenever we connect so many capacitors, more than one capacitors with a battery, that time we will connect those capacitors with a battery in two types of combinations. First is series combinations and second is parallel combination. It's a very simple concept, please take a note. The series combination, whenever we can say that the particular combination is series combination, it's very simple definition. The capacitors are connected with a battery in such a way that the potential difference of battery divides among all capacitors and the net charge of the battery remains same. Okay, then the capacitors are said to be in series combination. इट्स वेरी सिंपलेस्ट. हम कैपेसिटर्स को किसी बैटरी के साथ ऐसे कनेक्ट करेंगे कि जिससे क्या होगा कि बैटरी का जो भी नेट वोल्टेज होगा दैट डिवाइड्स अमंग ऑल कैपेसिटर्स and the net charge of the battery remains same for the all capacitors. This kind of combination is known as what? Series combination of capacitors. तो एक सिंपल सा होगा, देखो इसको हम डायग्रामिकल कैसे डिनोट करेंगे. तो मान लो लेट अस कंसीडर सम कैपेसिटर्स, n number of capacitors, and here this is the capacitor C1. We can see that, see here, it's very simple. This is capacitor C1, this is capacitor C2, this is capacitor C3 up to capacitor Cn are connected with a battery of voltage. Remember that the symbol of battery, one positive, one negative, and for the symbol of capacitor both lines are same. So आप थोड़ा अच्छे से डिनोट कीजिएगा, नहीं तो क्या होगा, दोनों कैपेसिटर जैसे दिखेंगे. This is the capacitor. The potential difference between this capacitor C1 is V1. The potential difference between the two ends of capacitor C2 is denoted by V2. Here the net voltage of battery, that is V, divides among all these capacitors. Here also V3. Similarly this will be Vn. हम डिफरेंट सिंबल से उसको डिनोट करेंगे, V1, V2, V3, V4 अप टू Vn. ठीक है ना बच्चों. सो वेरी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. आपको सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में ये याद रखना है, द नेट वोल्टेज ऑफ द बैटरी डिवाइड्स एंड द चार्ज ऑफ द बैटरी रिमेन्स सेम फॉर द ऑल कैपेसिटर्स. सो वी कैन से दैट द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन ends of capacitor C1 is V1 is equals to, we know that C is equals to Q by V. So V is equal to what? Q by C, very simplest. So here the net charge of the battery will be Q. That time V1 is equal to Q by C1. Similarly, our potential difference between the two ends of capacitor C2 will be right like this. V2 is equals to, it's very simplest, Q by C2, simplest. Similarly, the potential difference across the ends of C3 is denoted by V3 is equals to Q by C3. This is the standard formula for the potential difference which is derived from the formula of capacitance. और हम सिंपल सा हम डेरिवेशन से हम यहाँ पे सारे कैपेसिटेंस के लिए हम वोल्टेज लिख पाएंगे. सो इफ similarly we can say that the capacitor, the potential difference between the ends of capacitance Cn, आप ये पूरे स्टेटमेंट्स यहाँ लिखना होगा. So Cn is denoted by Vn is equals to what? Q by Cn. हमने सारे कैपेसिटेंस के पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को हमने डिनोट कर लिए. अब हम लेट करेंगे, लेट द नेट कैपेसिटेंस, let the net capacitance is Cs. This is for series combination. Then we know that then the potential difference is, net potential difference is equal to Q by Cs. टोटल वोल्टेज V था और टोटल कैपेसिटेंस आ गया Cs, तो V इज इक्वल टू आ जाएगा Q बाई CS. ठीक है ना बच्चों, इट्स वेरी सिंपल इज. हम इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे. चलो पैरेलल को बाद में देखेंगे, अभी थोड़ा सा बाकी है, एकदम सिंपल सा है. देयरफॉर इट्स सिंपल, देयरफॉर V इज इक्वल्स टू, और यहाँ पे एरो करके लिखेंगे. नाउ we know that this net voltage V divides among all these capacitors. So V will be V1 plus V2 plus V3 up to Vn. V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus up to going on Vn. It's very simplest. So V is equal to Q by Cn, V1 is equal to Q by C1. From here we derived the values of V1 up to Vn as well as V. तो हम ये सारी वैल्यूज को यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे. V2 is equals to Q by C2, V3 is equal to Q by C3 up to what? Vn is equals to Q by Cn. It's very simplest. Q कॉमन एंड कैंसल आउट, दोनों साइड से Q कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो 1 अपन Cn इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपन C1 प्लस 1 अपन C2 प्लस 1 अपन C3 अप टू व्हाट? 1 अपन Cn. दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला. दिस इज CS, आई एम सॉरी. दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला और इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशंस. सो वी कैन से दैट दिस इज द expression for series combinations of capacitors. Expression for net capacitance of series combination of capacitors. इट्स वेरी सिंपलेस्ट. अब हम ऐसा लेट करेंगे कि मान लो सारे कैपेसिटेंस सेम हो गए, C1, C2, C3, Cn, all capacitors have equal magnitude, equal capacitance. In that case it's very simple is, if C1 is equals to C2 is equals to C3 is equals to up to Cn is equals to C, then let us consider all capacitance or all capacitors have same capacitance equal to C. Then we can say that 1 upon Cs is equals to 1 upon C plus 1 upon C plus 1 upon C up to what? n times. आप n times 1 upon C, 1 upon C, 1 upon C को आप प्लस करोगे. If the quantity is n times, that time you can write like this, n times 1 upon c, n times 1 upon c, n times 1 upon c, that becomes n by c. It's very simplest. Like this you can write, and from this you can derive the formula for Cs simplified. Cs is equal to c by n. So we can say that the capacitors is 1 upon n times, that is nth times of capacitance. Thus the net capacitor or net capacitance is smaller than the smallest capacitance of the combinations ये कॉम्बिनेशन में जो स्मॉलेस्ट कैपेसिटेंस होगा ना, उससे भी स्मॉल कैपेसिटेंस मिलेगा जब आपको सीरीज में आप उसको कनेक्ट करोगे तब. सो दिस इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स में से फर्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन, दैट इज सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स. ठीक है ना बच्चों? सो कॉपी डाउन दिस, इट्स वेरी सिंपलेस्ट.